Hello there, welcome back to another new video. So as you can see here, I have two phones. Both of them are Lumia and both of them running Windows 8.1. So today we are going to talk about can you use Windows 8.1 in 2022. So basically Windows Phone is dead, so there is nothing actually you can do, and the lack of apps is from the beginning, and there is no support at all. So but still some of the developers, they're trying to keep alive these Lumia phones, so they are trying to port the apps and other things, but they're also losing their patience on these phones. So they're also avoiding Windows Phone right now. They are targeting Android phones and other things. So as you can see here, I'm using Lumia 625 and Lumia 540, and I have many apps on my Lumia 625 because Lumia, you can unlock bootloader on Lumia 625 and some of the devices like 920, 820 and other devices, but there are a lot of devices you cannot unlock bootloader and cannot get root permission. So if you able to get root permission, then you can sideload some apps on your Lumia device 8.1 devices, like as I have did on my this phone Lumia 625, and because the phone actually working just fine after unlocking bootloader, there is nothing no problem I have faced, and I have installed some of the apps which actually mostly game, because like social apps like Facebook Messenger and other things, those things doesn't work. So if you really want those things, somewhat you will get if you update your phone to Windows 10, but if you are in Windows 8.1, forget it. So basically these phones are like dumb phone, or you can use as a hotspot or Wi-Fi router for your phone, and you can use these phones. And also these are really good device for messaging. So the keyboards, Windows keyboard is one of the best keyboard, and I love the keyboard. So the keyboard experience is really good. So you can use this phone as a message device, or you can take phone call and do these things like a dumb phone. So basically you are not getting any internet related things, like you can't really browse anything because you will get restriction. And although I have UC browser, and you can really sideload some of the browser, but those browsers are outdated, so you can't really use them. Rather than that, you can use this phone as a router or dumb phone, or you can give it to your child as a gift to play games and listen to the music, because I think there are a lot of MP3 player right now, which are Chinese MP3 player, which around same price, but I think better than those those MP3 players. If you buy these phones, you will get really good music experience, because as I have this 625, it's really support Dolby Atmos. So as you can see here, it's support Dolby Atmos, so you will really get good music output from this phone. But as for Microsoft Lumia, as you can see, but this one doesn't have the Dolby Atmos support through earphones, but this have a big display where you can watch some videos, and it's really good display. And also this phone you can update to Windows 10, and you will get a somewhat good feeling of Windows 10. But if you update this phone to Windows 10 625, you will find it laggy and unusable. So I have tried Windows 10 on this device, and it was really painful. But as Microsoft supported this phone to update in Windows 10 officially, so I think I will get a version which is compatible with this one, which will run smoothly. And I think in that Windows 10 I could install somewhat apps and run there. As for now, I'm still running the stock GDR2 version of Windows 8.1 here. So there will be a video about updating it Windows 8 Windows 10. I got new tutorial which will update it to Windows 10. So in previous videos I have explained how you can update your supported and unsupported Lumia to Windows 10, and I said that if you have 512 gig of RAM, don't update your phone. Yes, don't update it because the experience will be really painful. But if you have 1 GB of RAM or 2 gig of RAM, then I think better you update your phone to Windows 10, and you will get many app support, and also some of the social apps you still can use, like Facebook also you can use, and Messenger. So that those things still you can use in Windows 10 device. And if I say in the life of a Windows 8.1, I think it's no more. There is nothing you can do with Windows 8.1 anymore. Just use Windows 8.1 phone as a dumb phone, or if you have Windows like Lumia 1020, you can use as a photograph or a camera or anything else, or you can use it as a music player. And that's it for Windows 8.1. And if you really want to run Windows 10 on these devices like 520, 625, 620, which has 512 MB of RAM, I will say you can run, but the experience will not be good, and you will feel that your phone is useless. So better stay in Windows 8.1 and use as a gaming machine, or you can game somewhat, so, or give it to your child as a MP3 player, because they cannot browse internet there. Many sites are blocked, so they cannot connect to the browser, or if they connect to the Wi-Fi they cannot browse really, because the browser is already outdated. Or if you have if you are a fan of Nintendo, then you can use this app called Emulator. So I have made a video where I have shown that how you can sideload apps on Windows 8.1, and there I have talked about this app which is called emulation, and there are thousand of games that you can play on emulation. As you can see, I have a 1001 something like that, so there are I think 1200 games in one ROM. So like this, there are website where you can find NES games. As you can see, it's open, and you can choose any game, you just press start, and you can really play. And you can play on a landscape or portrait mode, it's up to you. So as I said, this phone can still be used as a gaming device or something else. So as you can see, you can, and the gaming experience of these phones actually not that bad, it's still working fine, and you will get much better experience on this phone because it has 1 gig of RAM, which can render the games more properly. But as for now, you cannot unlock you can unlock bootloader, but you will not get root permission in these devices like Lumia 540 and something like Lumia. Also most of the device Lumia, only few devices can unlock bootloader and run can sideload the apps, and you will get the root permission. And there is also like Project Storia, which allows somewhat importing APK files on your devices. That one also it's not possible on Lumia 540 because you will not get root permission. But you can't do in Nokia Lumia 625 because it has 512 MB of RAM. If you have 1 gig of RAM and your phone is like Lumia 820 or 8 something like that, 822, so you can really use Android, somewhat Android APKs in your phone. So that's it for today, and there is nothing you can do about Windows 8.1, but there is some possibility in Windows 10 also. It's also going to die. It's nearly dead right now. So that's it for today. Hopefully this information will be helpful for you, because I know some of you have these phones but lying around, you don't use it. You can really make use of these phones, and you can use it many ways. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.